take a look at the Cisco RV340 router. At the back, you'll see there are two dual WAN 1 gigabit ports that offer load balancing and automatic failover. So what this means is you have two different internet connections and one fails or one temporarily goes down. It will automatically switch, so you will experience little to no disruptions. Here we have 4 of the 1 gigabit LAN ports. There are also 2 USB ports, one at the back and one at the side. These USB ports, you can connect a 3G or 4G internet dongle, or you can use them for simple storage for logs. Internally, this device has a 900 MHz processor with 1 gig of DDR3 memory and 256 megabytes of flash storage. It can be accessed using a web-based interface, so that is really great for remote management and configurations. It is also passively cooled. Now, what this means is there are no fans, which makes this device quiet. And lastly, we have these 2 brackets, which are very useful, so you can mount this device in your server rack. And yeah, these are some simple key specs about the Cisco RV340 router.